Sell pressure has dipped the Nigerian stock market to minus 0.32% for a second consecutive day. Yesterday, the all-share index lost 108.32 basis points, or 0.39%, and investors lost 52 billion naira in value as the market capitalization closed lower at 13.472 trillion naira compared with 13.524 trillion naira on Friday. Now, today's market is still bearish, as you can see, with the market declining further. The equity cap of 13.428 trillion naira means a 44 billion naira loss on the market today. Now, we see that the downturn on the market was heavily impacted by losses recorded in the oil and gas, industrial goods, and financial services sector, with Seplat Petroleum Development Company leading the losers chart. Now, take a look at this graph here. We see that Seplat declined by 43 naira, 3 kobo, or minus 9.82%. Total Nigeria PLC also lost 9 naira, 3 kobo. Moving on, we see that Dangote Cement lost 2 naira, while Guarantee Trust Bank lost 8 kobo per share from its last close of 28 naira. Now, analysts at AfriInvest Limited expects the bearish performance to continue as investor sentiment remains weak. Conversely, we see that Nestle Nigeria PLC and MTN recorded the highest price gain of 8 naira and 2 kobo and 5 kobo each, followed by Cement Company of Northern Nigeria with gains of 5 naira, and of course, PZ Cousins with gains of 5 naira, 35 kobo per share. Now, moving on, we see that the volume of shares traded today closed higher than yesterday, with an exchange of 183.647 million shares valued at 4.501 billion naira, traded in 3,558 deals. This was an improvement from yesterday's trading activities. I mean, it was a turnover yesterday of 158.27 million shares valued at 2.3 billion naira, traded in 3,595 deals. Now, outside of Nigeria, we see that it's a bearish market in the UK and the US, with the FTSE and Dow Jones down by 0.076%. Of course, the all-share index in the US is also down by 0.45%. And in Asia, stocks in Japan have picked up with the ASI closing up at 0.96%.